Hey.
Okay. Hey, let go.
Oh my gosh! Oh no!
Hey, when you
Oh my gosh!
No. Hey.
Oh my gosh!
Okay. Let's go. Oh no!
Oh my gosh!
Hey. Okay. Oh, thank you.
Bye! Hello! Bye! Hello! Bye!
Wish. The Christmas atmosphere is spreading everywhere. Santa is decorating. Be careful!
Hey, you go play somewhere else.
The Christmas tree. Mario and Luigi still don't stop. Oh no! Everything is falling apart!
Oh, my back.
So, everything is in ruins.
You two ruined my Christmas. Oh my goodness. My Christmas.
I will go to the forest to find another Christmas tree. Good idea.
In the pine forest.
Santa, wait for me.
What? There are no beautiful Christmas trees left. Only bare tree trunks.
What should we do? What if we plant our own Christmas tree?
Think in the truck. King leads to action. Mario picks up some pine cones and puts them back. Next, we probably need to separate the pine seeds, right? At a friend's house.
Can you help me separate pine seeds?
Okay.
Hello?
Hello. Wow, is this a pine seed separator? Let's see how the machine works. Each seed is big and round. The first pine seeds have appeared. In this way, the number of pine cones decreases. A perfect seed separator.
Wow, thank you so much.
Here are your pine seeds.
Goodbye.
Mario brings the pine seeds. Back at the farm. The seeds are evenly spread. Next, the seeds need to be buried in the soil. Spread on the ground. Rows of seeds in straight lines, neat and tidy.
Huh? Why is there no water in the well?
Mario pushes a wheelbarrow to the pond. Water. Oh no!
Oh no! What if I create an automatic watering system?
Mario probably goes to buy materials.
And here, I want to make an automatic watering system.
Okay.
Back at the farm.
Go! Go, 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 go!
This tank will be placed next to the pond. Water is taken from the pond. Water starts spraying. Water completing the watering system between the rows. Bring the entire farm. Wow, the Christmas trees grow quickly. A whole garden of green and beautiful Christmas. Mario selects the most beautiful trees.
Let's go back to Santa.
There probably won't be any Christmas trees left.
Santa Claus,
Huh?
I apologize.
Very beautiful Christmas trees. Thank you.
Okay, let's go.
Hey, let go, let go! Oh, no! Okay, okay.
Okay, let's go. Oh, hello. Oh no! Wait. Okay, let's go.
Hello!
Oh, hello. There you go.
Aha! Okay.
Bye bye.
Go, go, go.
Okay, okay, okay. Hey, 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 yum, 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 yum.
Oh, ho, ho, ho.
Bye.
A few moments later.
Okay, okay, okay.
Go, 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 go. Okay, okay, okay.
Aha!
No, 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 no.